Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python pandas. So today's topic is give me all the employees details whose name ends with N and length of name equals to 11. Okay, so this is a simple query. So let's start from employees where employee name like this denoting ends with N and length is exactly 11. Okay, so let's see how to convert it into Python. Okay, so here you can see this is our connection string. Okay, and I am in this data frame, I am reading the SQL query from this table. So let's start from employees and I am closing the connection. So after that, what I can write filtered employees equals to this df I need. Okay, this data frame I need. In this data frame, what I need? In this data frame, I need a particular column. Which particular column? I need employee name. So I'll write like employee name. So in this employee name, what I need? I need to check whichever the employee names are ends with N. Okay, so I'll use string function. So what str will do, what string function will do, this one lets us to run string functions. Okay, like contains, ends with. So here I will use ends with function. So ends with. So what I need ends with N. Okay, then comma NA equals to false. Why I wrote N equals to false? First of all, what it is doing, it is giving me a boolean statement, boolean values. So it will go row by row and it will see if the name ends with N or not. If it ends with N, then it will give true, unless it will give me false. Okay, and if there is any NaN values, none values, then it will give me a false. It will not throw an error. So that's why I wrote NA equals to false. Then I need another statement. Which statement I need? I need another condition if the length of that name is equals to 11 or not. Okay, so I will write the statement, but it will give me a blank table. So let's see how. So I'll write like employees, same employee name I need. Okay, here again string statement, string, then I need length function, right? So I'll write length is exactly I need 11. Okay, now if I print this one, print this one, it will give me a blank table. So here you can see it is blank giving. Why? Here you can see came one row, but it is giving me a blank. Why? Because in Python rules, so what it will do, it will run first double equals to operator, then it will run AND operator. First it will run double equals to operator, then it will run AND operator. So Python will get confused which one to run first. Okay, which statement to run first. Okay, so what I need to give a bracket here. Okay, now our conditions are satisfied. If I run this one, here you can see our expected results came. Okay, so like this we can convert SQL queries into Python. Hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.